Hey guys, today we have a Sony vaio pcg-7162l vgn-ns325j vgn-ns series, and we have a video of this laptop of the same model that's made like a year ago, but now we got a better camera, better angle, so now you could see everything much better. So the problem here is the power jack right there. If you can see the two pins right here, if you don't see a center circle in there, that means the DC jack is broken. Let me show you how it's supposed to look like. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so this is the jack inside. And you see this black piece? That's the way how it's supposed to look like if it's not broken. Basically, the black circle is supposed to be there. You see here, there is no black circle right there. So that means the jack is broken and it needs to be replaced. And we fix that for $100. This is not an easy laptop to work on, but let me show you how we go about working on it. I will show you everything, so nothing gonna be hidden. The jack is not on the motherboard, that's a good thing, but getting to it is kind of not that easy. So first of all, you want to remove the battery. Let me adjust the angle a little bit here, like that. So if you like the video, leave a like. We do need likes for the channel to grow, because maybe today you have a Sony, but next day you're gonna break something else. So here we got two small screws right there you need to unscrew. One and two. Now we got bigger screws right here. Alright, so here we go. Alright. Now those two screws, one right here and one right there, are extremely fat and big, so you have to unscrew them and set them aside. Those are big fat screws, unlike other screws. Like that. And now we just remove the rest here. Okay. Like that. Like that. Okay. Alright, so everything right here is unscrewed. Now this one. Another one right there. Another one right here. Another one right here. Okay. And right here, that's a small tiny screw, which you want to set separately. And you want to lift up this pad right here and remove it like that. There's another screw right here. Alright, so I believe now we want to remove the CD-ROM, and the way you do it is I don't want to break this cover, so really slowly remove this guy. And now you can lift up the, first of all you want to put the glasses on, because there's going to be a whole bunch of dust in there. And here. Alright, so we removed. And it seems like the jack is right here and it's really easy to get to, but it's not. So here. Now first thing I need to do is I need to unscrew this hinge right here. There is two big fat screws right here for the hinge. So one This is a torque range, so it doesn't it's set to a certain torque, so it wouldn't be breaking the screws I'm unscrewing. So here, like that. And now what you need to do, you need to lift up this this hinge and lift it this way, like that. Alright, like that, like that, like that. Wonderful. Okay, let me see if I can get something else here. So, like that. You know what, there's one little problem I did here. That's not... Okay, so here. Like that. Don't pull it all the way out because you're gonna break this plastic cover that's like right here. So you don't want to do that. Anyways, now you want to do is you want to unscrew the heatsink. There is no way you're gonna get the jack out without unscrewing the heatsink. By the way, if I get stuck somewhere or I get a phone call, just feel free to fast forward. I mean, you're not gonna miss much. Here we got 3 screws on the fan, which you need to unscrew. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so we unscrew that. Alright, so you see every single one of those cables, you do need to disconnect every single one of those. Alright, so here, you want to start with this guy, like that, then you want to disconnect this guy, here. Like that. Like that. And like that. Okay. By the way, take the heatsink off. And don't take the fan off because there are still cables connected here like that. Make sure to drag this guy around. And like that. So here. This is how it's supposed to look like when you get down to it. Now, you want to disconnect this guy by pressing on this lever. There is a lever right here. And you need to be dragging it out a little bit. Like that. Now you see this cable right here? You need to put this cable under that cable like that. Like that. Okay. Now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws you need to unscrew here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 4, 5 right here. 4 and 5. Okay, so we are halfway there. Okay. It seems like it's all good now. So here, you want to lift this guy up. Okay, drop this jack down and guide the wires there in the back. Okay, and drag this guy out like that, right? And you got the jack now. So this is pretty much the proper way you want to get the jack out. Now here there is the insulation on the back of the jack, which you want to remove. Okay. And here we got 1 and 2 cables right here in the back that are soldered vertically. And you need to solder them vertically when you're gonna be soldering the new jack in place. But now you want to remove this plastic, the insulation right here. You want to remove that. Right. You also want to remove the heat shrink from this coil, and you want to remove that eventually, um, the magnet right there. So I'm pretty much all set for desoldering here. And I want to strip as much plastic as possible. Right, so let me show you where we do the repairs at. Alright. Alright, so that's how you desolder the jack. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put some insulation on top of it, so it wouldn't be shorting. Alright. Guys, you want to fast forward a couple of minutes because the chemicals need to dry for about a couple of minutes, so just fast forward the video, right? Thanks. Right, guys. Now the difficult part is to make that make that wire bend so much so that it would be sitting properly in there in the hinge area. So what you wanna do is you wanna oh, it smells so bad. It's really painful here to watch, as some of you might say, but yeah. By the way, you want to remove this guy right here. Okay. So come on. Like that. Now, no, you were just fine in there. Okay. All right. So like that, like that. Pull this wire like that. Alright, so this is the way how it's supposed to look like. There is a hook right here, and there is a hook right there. And the wire should be under this one, all the way under. And stick like that, basically, alright? So, now you wanna put this guy the way it used to be. Hold on 1 second, like that. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, wonderful. Okay? And this guy you want to connect here. Okay? And two shortest wires you wanna put right here and right here. Okay. You don't want to screw it in yet. Okay, we got one screw that we do need to screw in right here. Okay, so everything looks good. Now we want to put the cover back on top of the laptop. We will start with the bottom of this side. Come on. Now an extra tape wouldn't hurt in the back, just in case. Okay. All right. Okay, now what? There's one thing you need to do. You see this hinge? It's not sitting properly, so what you need to do, you need to remove it like that and push it in from this side downwards, and it should snap right in like that. Alright, so the hinge is all the way in there, so it's all good. Alright, so now you just screw everything back together. Right there. One right here. One right here. Okay. Again, leave a like if you like the video.
Hi. Is this yours?
Yeah, sure.
Almost 7?
Yeah. They already mistaken it.
They can put it over here, but you.
Like that?
Yeah. Make sure that it's a little problem there. Problem?
Yeah, that's,
Oh, okay.
so if there's anything else there?
No, I can check that shit.
Okay.
If I have something to get it, then
Oh, there's, I see one.
there's nothing but this problem.
No?
It's, I watch TV or watch Presidential Canyon. Something.
Have a good day. Thank you. Alright, so let me see if it's gonna work. It doesn't have a power supply. Sorry, it just takes some time for me to find the power supply for the system. Anyways, again, we are at powerjackrepair.org and we fixed those for $100 total. Now we're gonna connect this guy right here. The light on the front should switch to charging. Yep, right there you see the light. Now we open this guy up, press the power button, and nothing happens. Let's press the power button on no, right there. Okay, so let's go. Yep, so the Windows is powering up, and let's see. Again, leave a like if you like the video. If the video has been any help to you, leave a like. The more likes, the more the channel grows, the more videos we're gonna be able to make it for you. No likes means channel won't be growing as much. Leave a comment of what could be done better. You should understand that the camera angles are really limited here, and having 2 or 3 cameras in place, there is no software like that to support the cameras. Anyways, it might take forever to, well, let's see. It's still loading. Okay, so we got the cursor right there. Cursor goes away. And right here, everything is still loading. Windows is loading. And right there. So, okay. Windows Home. Welcome screen. Anyways, let me shut down this video because it might take forever to load. But anyways, the jack is fine, everything charges. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like. Thank you.